everyone, welcome. My name is Jocelyn and it is time for another Stitch Fix unboxing. It's been a minute since I've done one of these. If you're new to my channel, I have had the same stylist for like 2 years, and in my last unboxing, I had a different stylist and I was very sad. My previous stylist was Lindsay, and I don't know if she was just on vacation when my box got styled, or maybe she left Stitch Fix. Whatever the reason, she used to do really well. The last box, I don't know if I actually kept anything. I might have kept one thing and sent everything back or something like that, or I might have sent everything back. I honestly can't remember, but it wasn't the most impressive box. So I have higher hopes for box number 2. While I open this up, I'm gonna give a brief description of what Stitch Fix is. It is a styling subscription service. So you pay Stitch Fix $20 and they ship you 5 items based off of a style profile that you fill out on their site. If you choose to keep anything, if you love anything that comes in your box, that $20 does get applied towards anything that you want to keep, and then you pay for whatever the remaining balance is. If you choose to send everything back, you do lose that $20. However, if you are a brand new person to Stitch Fix, you can use a referral link. I will have mine listed down below, and you'll get $25 off of your first box, which covers the styling fee. So you can basically get your first box risk-free, which is kind of exciting. I am not sponsored by Stitch Fix. They used to have an affiliate program not a long time ago, but a while ago, that I was a part of, and then they ended that. So anything I choose to keep out of this box is coming out of my own pocket. All right, got a little sneak peek of my box, and I'm not too sure, but let's find out. So I've got my return envelope, which comes prepaid and has a thing already on it, so whatever I choose not to keep, I just shove in here and send back to them. I also have a pricing guide and a style guide right here, and then I've got all of my items here in this sack. Okay, actually, we've got some stuff I'm interested in, some stuff I might not be. Okay, on top we have the thing that I was kind of like, meh. Oh, okay, this is actually better than I thought it was. So this is a navy blue, it's a workout tank, which I thought it was gonna be some kind of dressy clothes because of the material, but no, it is actually this is really nice. This is a workout tank. So this is the front, this is the back, which is pretty cute. This is the Threads for Thought Cassia Reactive Performance Tank, navy, size medium. Activewear made from recycled materials. I love to see that. Okay. I'm not mad about this. I thought I was gonna not like this when I just kind of saw a peep of it, but this is pretty good. Next, ooh, what is this? Ooh, I'm excited about whatever this is. Ooh, the more I see of it, the more excited I get. This is one of the softest things I've felt in a while. This is like a quarter length sleeve, two-toned top with a knot in the front. You know how I like my knots in the front. Pretty high, scoopy necked up here. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Okay, I like this too. So this is the Market & Spruce Denver front twist brushed knit top, navy, size medium, or no, size small. This one's a size small. I like the look and feel of this a lot so far. Okay, ooh, next, ooh. All right, can you tell I like green? I like green. This might be a cardigan. It's not. Ooh, okay, this is maybe it goes off the shoulder. No, maybe it's just like a kind of like a cowl neck kind of situation. This is a long sleeved green top. It looks promising. I don't not like it so far. This is the Letty and Me Ease cowl neck curved hern pullover, dark green, size medium. This definitely looks a little bit fancy, like something I could wear to a nice dinner. Not that I'm doing any of those. I have dinner at home. All right, next we have trousers of some sort. Ooh, a pair of sweatpants. I do wear a lot of sweatpants nowadays. They're not super soft. Like on the inside, they're not that like very soft material, but they feel fine. They feel nice. They are this kind of like periwinkle blue. These seem fine. These don't, again, kind of like the last one. It seems fine, but off the bat, nothing that I'm oh my gosh about. So these are the Rainbow jogger with pockets, navy, size medium. I wouldn't really, I guess it's kind of navy. We'll try them on. It has pockets, and pockets are always a winner. So last we have this. Ooh, I have a friend who owns something very similar to this, and I saw her wearing it the other day and I really wanted it. And this is such a pretty color. It's so soft. It's so soft. Okay, so what is this? This is the Andrew Mark Performance Kaylee Teddy Zip Up Jacket, light purple, medium. I wonder what this material is. Faux fur, cotton, polyester, and spandex. Let's take a look. This is definitely not a bad box so far, which is exciting. Every once in a while I get kind of a kind of box, but for the most part boxes are like this, where it's kind of 50-50 on the things that I'm really excited about. So first I'm gonna check out the style guide. Let's see who my stylist is. Is it Lindsay, or did she in fact leave? It's Morgan again. Okay, so that is fine. I expect that Lindsay has moved on to bigger and better things. We are very happy for her. A little bit sad, but happy for her. And then Morgan did really good this second time around. I'm pretty sure Morgan is who I had last time, and she did very good this time around. Okay, so got my style guide with each of my pieces and how to wear them, along with a note from Morgan. Again, I think Morgan really stepped it up this time around. The last box was a little lackluster. This box is a lot better, so let's find out how much everything is. Wow, I'm pleasantly surprised. I was expecting some really high price tags, but that's not the case here. They're like standard boutique prices, I would say. Let's start off with just what's on top, which is the joggers. These are $34. So for $34, if these fit really well, I could definitely see myself keeping those. Next we have the green Letty and Me East cowl neck curved hem shirt. This is actually, oh no, this is the second most expensive thing in the box. This is $46. So again, it seems like a kind of nicer piece, so that makes sense for $46. What is this? Ooh, this is the Market and Spruce, one of the things I was really excited about. This is $38. A little pricey, but I do really like this. Just feeling it and looking at it, I really like it. So that one's $38. The tank is $32. I'm actually just assuming that. Yeah, this is $32. So the least expensive thing in the box. Kind of pricey for just a workout tank, but we'll see how it looks on. And then last, we have the thing I now might be most excited about. This is the Andrew Mark Performance Zip Up kind of comfy, cozy sweater. This is the most expensive thing in the box. No surprise at all. This is $58. All of the things in my box come to a total of $208. If I chose to keep everything, I would get a 25% discount, which would knock off $52 and bring my total down to $156. So these are all the things I have gotten in my box. I definitely think I'll be able to choose at least 1 to 2 to maybe 3 items to keep. So let's try everything on. All right, so first and foremost, I tried on the threads for, I think, no, this is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Denver front twist top. This is in the size small. This fits pretty good. I kind of like that it's quarter length. I don't have, this is like, is this quarter length? It's definitely very cozy. I can't decide if I like the cutoff right here or not. I feel like it looks a little bit strange. Is that just me? Does it look a little weird? I feel like it looks a little weird. It's definitely very comfortable, and it's very soft, but I don't know if I really need another like kind of long sleeve-ish sweater like this. I did buy quite a few and got some for Christmas that are longer sleeve, very comfy, very cozy. So this isn't necessarily something I need to be adding to my wardrobe. I don't not like it. I don't know if I'm in love with it. I feel like it just kind of makes me look a little strange in the midsection. So this is probably a probably not. Okay, let me try on the green top. Sir, what are you doing? Okay, this is a little baggy. Is it something, I feel like, I guess tucking it in seems okay. It's definitely another thing that is comfortable. It's very cozy. It looks cute. It's a little long. It kind of gives me that ducktail back here, which I don't love. I don't not like it, but again, I don't think this is something I necessarily need to add to my wardrobe. This is probably a no. I keep like hesitating because they're all so comfortable, and the two that I've tried on are very comfortable and cozy. I mean, it works really well with the short hair, but again, it's just not something I think that I necessarily need to add to my wardrobe right now. I'll go ahead and try on the tank and then maybe the the zip up, and then we'll try on the joggers. Okay, I do have a bralette on, so pardon the straps. This was $32. It's cute. It's a little bit loose. It doesn't come down too far on the sides. It's not my favorite. I don't feel like I really need, this is like fine, but for $32, I feel like I could maybe buy 2 workout tanks that I really like somewhere else, and this one's just not quite right. So now we know. All right, let me try on the oh no, actually, let's try this on real fast. Oh, it's so cozy. I feel like almost it might need to be a small. What size is this? This is a medium. Ooh, oh, it's so cozy. Ooh, a nice big hood. That's good. I wonder if they have a size small. Pretty big. It's pretty bulky. I feel like I could definitely get away with the size small. Let me see. Okay. They only have this in a size medium. Like, it's not bad that it's too big. I definitely would rather it be too big than too small. And if I was just wearing it around the house, or I could wear it out. Again, it is like a little too big. Is it too big? What do you think? Okay, so all we have left are the joggers. So let's throw those on. Got a very monochromatic moment going on right here. Oh, I almost feel like I'm in scrubs. So I don't know how well, I think you'll be able to see for the most part how these look. They look very scrub-like. Maybe it's just in combination with this top. They don't feel super soft or super sweatpant-y. They definitely feel a little more athleisure. I don't know how in love I am with these. I mean, they're fine, but for sweatpants, I like to find things that I really, really, really love. And again, these are just okay. I don't love the pants, but let me throw on my regular clothes and I'll come back and we'll do some final wrap-up thoughts and where I stand on each of the items. Okay, I am back in my regular clothes. Let's first talk about the 3 things that I'm like pretty positive I'm not gonna keep. The first is the green top. I liked this. I don't think it looked bad. I just don't love it. And I think it was a little too big for me. And I don't really have a need for this. So this is gonna go back. The joggers, again, nothing in here I really hated. I just didn't really love these. Like I mentioned earlier, they kind of reminded me of scrubs. They weren't that expensive, but with Stitch Fix, I like to find pieces that I really, really, really like or really love. And this just didn't fit the bill. So that's gonna go back along with the tank that was sent. It was a little bit big, and for $32, I'd rather have a workout tank that I love, and this was just okay. That is also gonna go back. The 2 items that I am humming and hawing over, so I'd really like your opinion down below, is the first top that I tried on. I couldn't really tell if it looked good or not so much. It felt really good. So I'd really like your opinion down below. It was super soft, super cozy. I felt like it maybe looked okay, but I wasn't really sure. So let me know what you think of this down below, as well as the jacket. This was super cozy and very soft, and I think that they're pretty cute, but it was a little big, so I don't know how much. I mean, I'm sure I would wear it a lot, I think, but you'll have to let me know what you think of this one too. But those are the 2 that I'm thinking of keeping. So I'm gonna try and get this up really, really soon so I can get your guys' feedback down below, and that might help sway my decision. I didn't have to pay a $20 styling fee because I signed up for the Style Pass, which is a one-time fee, I think of $49 or $49.50, and then you get free stylings for a whole year. So I didn't have to pay the $20, so I don't lose any money this time around. I don't know if the styling pass is an option for everybody, which is why I don't usually mention it, but I know it's available for maybe people who've been signed up for a while, and I have been signed up for years now. So I do have that, so that's also a thing. I could send everything back and not lose any money, but let me know what your thoughts are down below. If you would like to try Stitch Fix, again, there will be a referral link down below that you can use to get $25 off of your first box. If you do use that link down below, I get $25 off of my next box. So a huge thank you to anybody who chooses to sign up and get $25 off their first box using my link down below, because it helps me out to continue doing these videos. If you like Stitch Fix unboxings, I usually do these every month, so consider subscribing. And if you, again, like Stitch Fix unboxings, consider giving this video a thumbs up. All those buttons are down below, and I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.